Hello, I'm Fred Sakala from Vileda Professional. I do global marketing and innovation for the Controlled Environment Group. I'm here at INTERPHEX in New York, which is the largest trade show for the pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. And today, I'll talk to you a little bit about the trends we see in the industry, some challenges and problems that may arise, and some innovative solutions that we have. So, first off, trends that we see in the industry, we're noticing both here at the show and in our industry a lot of restricted access barrier systems, or RABs as they're called. Things like biosafety cabinets, isolator hoods, glove boxes, and they're growing in both their usage and importance. And the reason for that is there's a confluence of things that are happening. Things like gene and cell therapy, nuclear medicine, active pharmaceutical ingredients that are very hazardous. So these isolator hoods and restricted access barrier systems protect not only the medicine inside, but also it protects the workers from the hazardous chemicals that they're working with. Because these machines are all different sizes, all different materials. They're a mix of stainless steel, glass, polycarbonates, rubber, and plastic. They're challenging shapes, they're hard to reach spaces. So that poses a risk for if you don't clean them properly, you'll obviously have contamination control issues down the line. And with the medicines that are being produced, you can't afford to have contamination control. So what do we do about it? Well, we've developed a really innovative solution, an isolator tool, which I will be happy to show you a little bit here. The isolator tool is an articulating cleaning pad with a telescoping handle to help you reach hard to reach spaces, an articulating joint, which allows you to clean both top, side, bottom, but also front facing. When you reach in, you can clean a front panel of glass without reaching into the isolator or the machine, which protects both the, the worker and the medicines that are inside. So we've tested it with 31 end users around the world over the last 6 months and have had exceptional feedback. We're really excited to be launching this tool. So look for it at a distributor near you, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have here at the Vileda Professional booth. So thank you very much for your time and look forward to hearing from you.